Welcome back to Canine Commentary. I'm Tucker. Today's topic, the doorbell, an alert system with no clear accountability. It rings. No context, no briefing, just an immediate demand for action. I respond, of course, with urgency and volume, only to discover it's either a package, a neighbor, or someone asking questions no one intends to answer. What's interesting is the human response. They hear the same signal and choose calm, measured walking, casual tone, as if we didn't just receive what is clearly a perimeter breach notification. The doorbell doesn't create chaos. It reveals who's prepared and who's pretending everything is fine. Stay vigilant.